Hello once again, dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel MTech and one of my videos. So now I'm gonna show you how can we do some cool tricks and hacks in CMD. So what kind of hacks and tricks can we do in CMD? So I will just uh, work some of basic things in CMD. So let's go and start it. So before starting the this tutorial, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, share it with your friends, and if you enjoy this video and waiting for other cool tricks and hacks in CMD, so please subscribe it, follow me in YouTube. So let's open it. There is two way to open CMD. One Windows button with R and write the CMD, press it OK. And another way is to go to start menu and search for CMD command prompt. So you can open here. And so you can change the color from here and many cool things. And you can bring cool many different changes in the computer by CMD. So as you wish which method you like to open your CMD. So like this. So at the first when you open your CMD, it looks like this. So you can like change the size of font and the color. So right click here and come to properties. So in here you can cursor size medium or large. You can make the size of this thing bring changes. So come to font, you can change the size of font. You can choose one of this if you want to change it. So 20 or 24. So okay, layout. Okay, please. Okay, it's like bigger. So let's start, friends. First, maybe you see many hacking movies or like Matrix movies. So the color is green or like the screen is green. So let's change the color. So right color. See the color became green like hacking movies screen that they are showing that is green like green text is showing on the screen that we do the same. If you want to change the color, you can change the color B or color C, like warning or danger. You want to like writing virus in CMD, like something like that. So you can just change the color. And again, if you want to have information about your system info, you can write it system info. Whenever you want to buy a computer, you can just go to open the computer, open the CMD and write system info. You can have this. So friends, as you can see, there is like all the information that you need is already shown here. So you can just see the information. All information about inside your computer is shown here, like you can see it. The name of your computer, like, and the IP address, or like RAM, everything. You can see BIOS version, Windows directory, system local, input local, time zone, total physical memory, available physical memory, vertical available, everything that you need, you can find it here. Okay. So let's see other things. Host name, and registered owner, everything that you need, you can just find in system info. Okay. So next thing we have is so let's come to other part. So whenever we want to check directory, so we can ask CMD in which volume or which drive we are. We can just write VOL, and we are in drive C right now. For example, if you want to move to another volume or another drive, so you can just write the name of drive. So as you can see in my computer, I have three drives or volumes: C, E, and F. I want to go to drive F. Okay, and so I will just write F in here, write F, and try to put these two dots back to back. And right now you are in F. Okay, directly you change the volume C to F. Okay, and now we are going to check directory. Directories mean all folders and files exist in these drives. So I have all these folders, so I will open some of these folders and make another folder like IT guy. If you want to add a folder not from here, for example, let me open my drive F, and picture or sound, maybe like this. And from here, new folder. If, for example, you want to make directly like IT guy, like if you maybe sometimes you would watch it in movie, or maybe sometimes it happened that your mouse is not working, you can just like this to you can write like this, make, and you can first of all you have to choose the folder. Okay, I will choose cd change direction, or cd sounds. Okay, or sound, sorry, sound, and press enter, and the directory is already selected, sound. And you can check inside sound what we have. So we have this kind of things. So again, I see I want to make a folder by the name of Michael Jackson or other singers, or Justin Bieber. So we don't have in here. You can see I can make a folder inside it. Okay. So I write the name of that singer you want to add it. Okay, Justin Bieber, or just Justin, and press it enter. And let's check again in sound. Do we add the successfully? Do we add this folder inside the sound folder or not? And check again directory. So you can see Justin is here. We have bin sound audios, and we successfully add in here. So let's check in our computer. So and see, before that we didn't have any like this folder Justin, and we added by our CMD. Okay, so next thing I want to show you is three. Whenever you want to check the graphical representation of every file, you have to write this tree, as you can see in my screen. And please wait. Okay, please wait until it shows all. So right now we didn't do a lot of activities because I recently uh, turn it on my computer. If you do many tasks, all the things will show here. Okay, so the next thing I wanna show you is like you want to check the version of your uh, system, you can just write ver and press enter. The Microsoft Windows version is 6.3.9600. And the next thing you can just do is to check the, for example, directory of every website. Like you can write ping, and you can write www.youtube, sorry, don't use this space, .com. And you can check the pinging of our, for example, directory of YouTube website or YouTube site. Com like this IP address of YouTube. Okay, replying from this. Okay. So for today, it's I think enough. So for like more cool things and hacks, you can just follow me. If you like this video, if you enjoy, please like this video, share it with your friends, and till next video. So goodbye and see you next time.